Hey guys, I'm really excited to welcome you to the 2015 Cash and Camping Super Lottery. This year we have 511 prizes. I'm really excited about this year's first prize. It's a beautiful 1-ton Dodge supplied by Grand Prairie Chrysler and 2 gorgeous fifth wheels. You're gonna have your option of what fifth wheel you wanna put behind, either a 2015 Montana or a 2015 Carbon. The Carbon toy hauler also comes with a high sun quad. Let's go check them out. So as you can see, either one of these is going to be a fantastic option for you and the family. Whether it's luxury or the outdoorsy sporty type, your needs are covered. Look forward to seeing you down here at the Cash and Camping Super Lottery.